TikTok's editing suite allows users to implement text, filters, and much more into their videos, all within an easy-to-use interface. The feature set has really helped TikTok break out as a new social media giant, but if you're new to the app, it might feel overwhelming. Adding text to clips on TikTok can help explain a video, or even add closed captioning to help viewers watch your clips. If you're ready to add text to each clip on TikTok, here's how it's done. To start, just open TikTok and tap on the Create button to record or upload your video. Once that's done, tap on the checkmark in the bottom right corner to open the second editing page. To add text, just tap on the text icon in the bottom left corner and type out exactly what you want to say. You can then format your text by choosing from 5 different fonts, 5 different text styles, and a multitude of colors. Just tap on the color and font you would want to use for your text, then select the A icon in the far left to cycle through various text styles. Tapping on the lined icon next to it will cycle through left, right, and center alignments. Once you've gotten your text set up to your liking, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen. You can then reposition your text by tapping and dragging it to where you want to set it on screen. You can also use 2 fingers to pinch and spread your text to resize and rotate it. Once you're satisfied, just rinse and repeat for any additional text boxes you want to put in, making sure to time them out specifically to when you want them to appear in your video. If you need to edit any text before posting it, just double tap on the text box to open the editing screen. Once you're done editing, the text should fall back into position and the angle you set it to. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering TikTok and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.